Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth out of chicken bones. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which can be a mix of backs, necks, and carcasses. Also, prepare aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget fresh herbs such as parsley and bay leaves and a large stock pot. These simple items are the foundation for a flavorful broth. Next, enhance your broth's depth by roasting the chicken bones. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This crucial step adds a rich, complex flavor. Once roasted, transfer the bones and your chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Then, add enough cold water to cover all the ingredients by 1 to 2 inches. Now, it's time for the slow simmer. Bring your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. You want just a bare whisper of bubbles. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first hour. Let it simmer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 24 hours for an incredibly rich flavor. Remember, never let it boil vigorously. Finally, the moment of truth: straining and storing your homemade broth. Carefully pour the contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the solids, including the bones and spent vegetables. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep in the refrigerator for up to 4 to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.